Welcome everyone. Today we are going to solve a common headache in .NET development, managing NuGet packages across multiple projects. Alright, I'll show you how Central Package Management or CPM can make this process seamless. Let's dive in. The problem? I remember the days when managing NuGet packages across multiple projects was a real pain. Imagine a solution with multiple projects, each using a different version of the same package. You end up with bugs that are hard to track down due to these version mismatch. Alright, how CPM helps? CPM acts as a control center for package versions. Instead of specifying versions in every project, you define them once in a central file. This keeps all your projects synchronized and free from version conflicts. Alright, we have a solution named CPM demo. Let's add two projects, project A and project B, into our solution, and let's start by setting up central package management. Alright, let's add a project. Let's add a class library, naming it as project A. Hit create. Alright, let's add some NuGet packages. Let's install the newtonsoft.json package. Here you have it. Alright, let's create another project. Another class library. Let's name it as project B. Hit create. And let's add some NuGet packages to it as well. Let's add the same package. Let's add Srilog first. And now let's add the newtonsoft.json package. This one. So we have same packages in both the projects and one Srilog package in the project B. Alright, now let's just create our central package management class directory. You see we have two packages in project B and a single package in project A. Alright, let's create our class. Let's add Directory.Packages.props class. Let's configure this class with project. With our property group. And our item group. And this class is not referencing, so let's just close it first and let's just open it again. Alright, this time it works fine. Let's add our manage package version centrally flag and let's set it to true. So this will enable to manage all our packages across different projects centrally. Alright. Now let's you see, when we build it, it started showing error that our packages are not centrally managed and we have versions in our individual projects. Let's copy it, let's paste it here, and let's change the package reference to package version. So we create package version nodes in our CPM file, and then we reference it here as a package reference, and we don't need to specify the version over here unless we want to override it. Let's do the same for these packages as well. Remove this package version Let's just copy and paste this here. And just replace it with package version. All right. Now you see that both our projects use the same package, but has been just specified once in our CPM, and we have been using the same version over here. All right, now the build is succeeded. Okay, so what if every project requires some package? We can do that by specifying the package version as a global package version. So let's do it. Let's specify this Newtonsoft JSON version as our global package version. So say it as GlobalPackageReference. All right, so we will use GlobalPackageReference since when we specify a project as a global package reference, a package as a global package reference, then we don't need to specify them in individual projects. You see, we are having two errors over here. When we remove it from both of our projects, they will automatically be referred in every project globally. But this has to be done with a lot of cautious, since every project in this solution will install this package automatically since it has been referred as a global package. So a global package doesn't need to be specified in every project. Now let's move on and explore another feature that's called package override feature. For example, we have projects where we need different versions of a same package in different projects. So let's do it. Let's install Srilog in our project A with a different version. And let's install a different version of Srilog in our project A. Let's say 4.1.0. Okay. Let's see. Some package references added. And CPM has changed and overridden to 4.1.0. So both our packages are now using, if we build it, it will use the 4.1.0. All right, let's write a version override over here and specify it to the version we installed in our project A, which is 4.1.0. Let's build it. Now, since our package version CPM has specifying 4.1.0, both has 4.1.0. And now specify, you see project B is having 4.1.0 as well. Now let's just fix this. We need 4.2.0 in project B and we need 4.1.0 in project A. So we have a version override in project A. Let's write it down in project B as well and specify as 4.2.0. Let's build it, and now you see both our projects are referencing to a different version thanks to the version override. Alright, so we can use a flag that's named central package manager override enabled and set it to false to prevent projects using a different version of packages. Let's do it. Let's set it to false and let's build it. You'll see we would have some errors now. So what the error says? The error says that the Srilog specified a version override which is disabled centrally. So you cannot have a version override in your versions, in your projects, since it is disabled. So let's remove it from our project A and project B, and let's just build it again. Maybe let's just clean it up. and build our solution again, and that's success. So this is how you can prevent the version override. Alright, that's a wrap up. And that's how you can use central package management to keep your projects consistent and reduce version conflicts. Try it out in your project and let me know. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your feedback and support keep me motivated to bring you even more valuable tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.